Hey everyone, week 2, welcome. September 9th through September 13th. Our weeks will always run from Monday through Friday from here on out. This week again, what we'll do is I'll take you through our brief checklist and then go through some more of the details of the chapter. Each week again, we'll begin with a larger sort of overview of the week. This week we're looking at different perspectives in psychology. We go to our checklist right here. Again, just a general overview. We have a reflection due this week at on September 17th. All assignments go into different assignment boxes, and this reflection will ask you to choose a perspective. This gives you some basic guidelines for the reflection essays themselves. This week's discussion is going to be on the nature-nurture debate. Are you more influenced by your nature or your nurture? It's going to ask you to take a look at a video here, and then head over to the discussion tab and add your views about that particular nature-nurture issue. All chapters have PowerPoints, and I would ask you to use your PowerPoints to help guide your reading, to summarize reading, outline the reading, and then in our weekly discussions and lessons, we'll always emphasize the key points to any particular chapter with various activities, with videos, discussions, and different types of reflections. So again, the main topic this week is perspectives, and as you can see in this comic, it depends on which view you're looking at. The guy on the island is like, oh yes, it's a boat. The guy in the boat says, oh my God, land, that's so great. So again, it always depends on your particular perspective. Go ahead and take a look. It just helps explain why we use perspectives, and these are all the different perspectives we're going to discuss further in this chapter. Lastly, on your checklist, there's supplemental videos that are going to really help make those perspectives come alive, be much more understandable. So do take a look at those videos. So if we go back to week 2, just to review just briefly again. So here again is your perspectives. Here's your different videos that I had mentioned in here. Here's the biopsychosocial perspective. And then here's some of the assignments that are due this week. And lastly, the PowerPoint that I mentioned earlier, which is an introduction on Chapter 1, and then as well as research methods, which we're going to talk about next as well. That should do it for the week. Thanks for listening, and please stay in touch. Talk to you soon.